Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I guess I should be welcoming myself back because it has been over a year since I posted my last video, which was the vlog for the first day of junior year, and I will link that down below if you want to watch it, obviously, because there's only like 10 videos on my channel. In today's video, I figured since we're all quarantined and bored, and makeup is one of the things that I like to do the most, I figured that I would show you guys a makeup tutorial, and this is what I have done. This is a prom makeup look. I definitely would not wear this on a daily basis because it is very dark and dramatic. I figured this look would go perfect with my prom look because my dress is black this year, and I also did my makeup for prom last year and I thought that it turned out pretty good. Here's a picture of that. And so I decided I'm gonna do that again instead of going to pay, you know, $50+ for somebody else to do my makeup. If I can do it myself, and I save a lot more money. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be showing you guys today, and I hope you enjoy. Happy quarantine from COVID-19. Without any further ado, let's just get on started with the video. I'm starting this tutorial off by using my e.l.f. illuminating face primer and applying that all over my face, and I forgot to mention in the intro of this video that I will be using mainly drugstore products to show you that I can get just as flawless of a look with these products than I can with higher end products. Now on to foundation. I'm going to be using the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Fit Me foundation and using a pretty good amount of this on my face as this is for a special occasion. I wouldn't use this much on a daily basis, but this is because it's for prom, obviously, and I'm making sure to blend up into my hairline and also down my neck because when you blend down your neck and up in your hairline, it makes your look more natural. We should be closer than friends if you I'm going back over this foundation with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to cover any areas that may need extra assistance, such as under my eyes or any pimples, and I am taking a smaller beauty blender and blending that in, making sure not to drag under my eyes but to pat, because dragging will give you wrinkles quicker. Continuing on with the Maybelline Fit Me trend, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder and a Bare Minerals brush and applying that all over my face and patting the powder on, not really dragging it but more patting it to give myself more of an even coverage. I'm going in with the Urban Decay Naked Flushed palette to do my bronzer, blush, and highlight, and I'm starting with bronzer first, making sure to get the temples of my forehead and my jawbone, and for blush I'm making sure to go a bit darker on the apples of my cheeks just to have my cheeks pop more whenever I smile for all of the pictures that we'll be taking at prom. And then for highlight, I'm highlighting my cheekbones, my T-zone, and my upper lip. Tell you out for pocket, let your emotions walk, fall on me, open up. For eyebrows, I'm not going to be doing much because I already have thick eyebrows, but I am going to be going in with the Maybelline Great Lash Clear Mascara to shape them. Open up. Now onto eyes, I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion to ensure that my eyeshadow is going to stay on all night. For eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Naked 3 palette, and I'm going to start by applying a base coat with the shade Trick. This is my favorite shade of all time from this palette. The second shade I'm going to be using is Mugshot, and I'm going to be applying this all over the first layer of eyeshadow that we did. The third color I'm going to be using is Dark Side, and I'm going to be applying this in the outer corner of my eyelid just to make sure it's giving a more dramatic smoky eye effect. Then I'm going to take the shade Nooner and apply that in my crease, kind of blending up more than I normally would as this is a smoky eye tutorial. And finally I'm going in with the shade Blackheart, just a little bit of this Blackheart, because a little bit definitely goes a long way, and I'm just kind of dabbing that into my crease to kind of darken it up a bit. Now that that's done, I'm going to be going in with the lightest shade from this palette, and that is the color Strange, I believe, and I'm going to be applying this on the inner corners of my eyes and under the brow bone because that really helps my eyes to pop in color. Now onto eyeliner. I'm using the Revlon Color Stay liquid liner, and I am definitely not a pro when it comes to eyeliner because I never wear it except for prom and homecoming, so it's always interesting when I try to apply it, but if I make a mistake then I always go back later and fix it, which I will show in this video because I did in fact make a mistake. She's closing up. Come to visit me. She said that she the loneliest and it's hard to open. I'm curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler to prep for mascara. We should be closer than friends. I use 3 different types of mascara to give my lashes plenty of length and volume, and it helps me not have to use fake eyelashes. So the first mascara I'm using is the e.l.f. mascara, and I believe this is for volume. Next, I will be using the Urban Decay Perversion Bigger, Blacker, Badder Mascara, as well as the Maybelline Peacock Flare Mascara. I'm going in with the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover to dab off any mascara marks I may have or any eyeliner smudges I may have on my eyelids. Since the eyeshadow of this look is so dramatic, I'm going in with a nude lip from Victoria's Secret. Since I'm wanting this makeup to last all night, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. finishing spray to set my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel by clicking that red button down below. Sorry I've been away for so long. I really didn't intend to be away for over a year, but that's just kind of how it went, and that's how life goes. I do plan on filming some more videos over this break that we have as we're quarantined and we can't really leave the house. I hope to see you guys in my next video, and I will talk to you all later. Bye!